Hello folks, 018 here. Got a Galaxy 44 HP. I'm gonna do a little tenant report. Start off with the RF power way down. We're gonna look at the 10 watt slug. Keying about one, hello. 10 bird in the corner, RMS. Average, hello audio. I'm gonna turn the RF power up. 8 watt key, audio. We look at the 50 watt slug. Average power with the 8 watt key. Hello audio, test, test. 1, 2. Hello audio. We're looking at about 18. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. 18 average. Hot low radio, there's your frequency, your voltage. Alright, we're going to go over here and go to peak. I'm going to turn the RF power back down. Turn on the peak switch. So we're in 1X. With 50 watt scale. Hello audio. Hello audio. Hello audio. That's the RF power down, 40 peak. RF power wide open. Hello audio, 40 peak. This radio had some problems in the channel lights. You see they're all working great. What it is, there's two boards that go together. I don't know why Ranger started doing this. They kind of lay together up and down. They were broke apart. All the old Cobras that used to have them give trouble. I don't know why Ranger put them in their radios, but hello audio. As you can see, everything's working. The receiver works good. We tested it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend and 10018 Beaver is running this Galaxy 44 high power, doing about 35-40 watts PP. We're back quiet.